Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone on a budget, finding the most reliable cars under 10,000 euros. We all know how important it is to have a car you can depend on, but nobody wants to break the bank just to get from A to B. Now, when it comes to used cars, reliability is absolutely paramount. You don't want to end up with a money pit that spends more time in the shop than on the road. That's why we've put together this list of the top 6 most reliable cars you can find for under 10,000 euros. We're not just pulling these out of thin air either. This list is based on extensive research, expert reviews, and real-world user feedback. So without further ado, let's jump right in and explore these automotive gems. Coming in at number 6, we've got a true icon of dependability, the Toyota Corolla. I mean, come on. It's practically a rite of passage to own a Corolla at some point in your life, right? And for good reason. These things are built to last. You'll find Corollas from the early 2000s with hundreds of thousands of miles still going strong. One of the things that makes the Corolla so reliable is its simplicity. It doesn't have a lot of fancy bells and whistles that can break down, just solid engineering and a proven track record. Plus, they're incredibly fuel efficient, which is a huge bonus these days with gas prices being what they are. When you're shopping for a used Corolla under 10,000 euros, you'll likely find a good mix of model years and trim levels. Just be sure to check for any rust, especially if you live in an area with harsh winters. And always get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. But seriously, you can't go wrong with a Toyota Corolla. It's the automotive equivalent of a comfortable pair of shoes, reliable, dependable, and always there for you. Plus, they hold their value incredibly well, so you know you're making a smart investment. So, if you're looking for a car that's going to get you where you need to go without any drama, the Toyota Corolla is definitely worth a closer look. It's a true testament to the saying, they don't make them like they used to. Sliding into the number 5 spot, we have another Japanese legend, the Honda Civic. The Civic has been a perennial favorite for decades, and for good reason. It offers a fantastic blend of reliability, fuel efficiency, and even a little bit of fun. What sets the Civic apart is its versatility. You can find them in a variety of body styles, from coupes to sedans to hatchbacks, so there's sure to be a Civic out there that fits your needs and your budget. Plus, they're known for their peppy engines and nimble handling, making them surprisingly fun to drive for a car in this price range. When you're browsing used Civics under 10,000 euros, you'll find a wide range of model years to choose from. Just like with the Corolla, be on the lookout for any signs of rust or previous accident damage. And of course, that pre-purchase inspection is an absolute must. Overall, the Honda Civic is a fantastic all-rounder. It's reliable, fuel-efficient, fun to drive, and relatively affordable to maintain. It's the kind of car you can buy with confidence, knowing it's going to treat you right for years to come. At number 4, we've got a car that injects a little bit of sportiness into the reliability game, the Mazda III. Mazda has always been known for building cars that are fun to drive, and the Mazda III is no exception. It offers sharp handling, responsive steering, and a surprisingly upscale interior for a car in this class. But don't let the sporty demeanor fool you. The Mazda III is also a very reliable car. It's known for its solid build quality and dependable engine. Plus, it gets decent fuel economy, so you won't be constantly filling up at the pump. When shopping for a used Mazda III under 10,000 euros, you'll find a good selection of models from the past decade or so. As always, check for any signs of wear and tear and make sure to get a pre-purchase inspection. So, if you're looking for a car that's both fun to drive and reliable, the Mazda III is definitely worth considering. It's a great option for those who want a bit of personality and excitement in their daily commute without sacrificing peace of mind. Coming in at number 3, we have a car that blends American practicality with a touch of European flair, the Ford Focus. The Focus has been a popular choice in Europe for years, and for good reason. It offers a comfortable ride, a spacious interior, and a reputation for reliability. One of the things that makes the Focus so appealing is its well-rounded nature. It's not the sportiest car on this list, nor is it the most luxurious, but it does everything well. It's comfortable, practical, and dependable, making it a great choice for families and daily drivers alike. When searching for a used Ford Focus under 10,000 euros, you'll find a wide range of models and engine options. Just be sure to check the service history and look for any signs of neglect or deferred maintenance. Overall, the Ford Focus is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and practical car without breaking the bank. It's a car you can buy with confidence, knowing it's going to get you where you need to go without any fuss. Cruising into the number 2 spot, we have a car that oozes European sophistication, the Volkswagen Golf. The Golf has been a global icon for decades, known for its stylish design, refined interior, and surprisingly fun driving dynamics. But the Golf isn't just about looks, it's also a very reliable car. Volkswagen has really stepped up their game in recent years when it comes to reliability, and the Golf is a prime example of that. It's a well-built car that's designed to last. When you're in the market for a used Volkswagen Golf under 10,000 euros, you'll find a good mix of models and trim levels. Just be aware that some models can be a bit more expensive to maintain than others, so it's important to do your research and factor that into your budget. Overall, the Volkswagen Golf is a fantastic option for those who want a car that's both stylish and reliable. It's a car that you can be proud to own, knowing that it's going to turn heads and provide you with years of dependable service. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list of the most reliable cars under 10,000 euros, we have the Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra might not be the flashiest car on this list, but it's hard to argue with its exceptional reliability and incredible value. Hyundai has been making huge strides in the automotive industry over the past decade, and the Elantra is a testament to their commitment to quality and dependability. Plus, they offer some of the best warranties in the business, so you can buy with confidence knowing that you're covered. When you're shopping for a used Hyundai Elantra under 10,000 euros, you'll find a wide range of models from recent years. Just be sure to check the vehicle history report and have a mechanic give it a once-over before you sign on the dotted line. Overall, the Hyundai Elantra is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, affordable, and well-rounded car. It's a car that punches well above its weight class, offering a lot of bang for your buck. So there you have it, folks, our top 6 most reliable cars under 10,000 euros. Remember, buying a used car doesn't have to be a gamble. By choosing one of these tried and true models, you're setting yourself up for years of dependable driving without emptying your wallet. Of course, it's always a good idea to do your own research and thoroughly inspect any car before you buy it. Make sure to check the vehicle history report, get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic, and don't be afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world of reliable and affordable cars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more car content and let me know in the comments below which one of these cars you'd choose and why. Until next time, happy motoring.